How do I automate file renaming? Are you tired of manually renaming files one by one? If so, automating file renaming can be a game changer for your productivity. Let's break down how you can do this effectively. First, let's talk about batch renaming. This method allows you to rename multiple files at once using a specific pattern. You can set rules like adding prefixes, suffixes, or even numbering files sequentially. This saves you a lot of time compared to renaming each file individually. Now, you might wonder what tools you can use for this task. There are dedicated software options available. Programs like Advanced Renamer and Bulk Renames Utility are popular choices. They work on both Windows and macOS. These tools offer user-friendly interfaces where you can set your renaming methods. For example, you can add timestamps or change file extensions easily. Plus, they let you preview the changes before applying them, which helps reduce mistakes. If you prefer not to download any software, you can use built-in features of your operating system. On Windows, for instance, you can select multiple files, click the first file, choose Renames, and type in a new base name. The system will automatically rename the selected files in sequence. However, keep in mind that this method has limited customization options. Another powerful option is to use automation platforms like Power Automate, formerly known as Microsoft Flow. This low-code tool allows you to create flows that can automate file renaming systematically. You can set it up to fetch files from specific folders and apply renaming logic based on certain conditions. For example, you can read renaming instructions from an Excel file. This method is especially useful for larger tasks and can be run automatically or on demand. Now, let's look at the practical applications. Automating file renaming not only reduces manual effort but also minimizes errors. This means you can focus on more important tasks. Consistent file naming improves organization, making it easier to find documents later on. Additionally, integrating this process with other automated workflows can streamline your overall task management. If you decide to use Power Automate, here are some simple steps to get started. First, create a new flow in Power Automate Desktop. Then, use the Get Files in Folder action to retrieve all the files you want to rename. Next, apply the Renames file action with your chosen naming scheme. You can even read instructions from an Excel file for dynamic renaming. Finally, run the flow and watch as your files get renamed automatically. By automating file renaming, you can significantly improve your efficiency and better manage your digital files. This is a smart step towards enhancing your overall time management and productivity strategies.